Imagine a motorcycle so advanced it throws out the old rules. That's the Verge TS Pro, a machine built to redefine the future of riding. Forget clunky chains, messy gear oil, or endless coolant checks. The Verge TS Pro cuts all of that out, giving you a ride that's as clean and low maintenance as it is thrilling. But here's where it really gets wild. This fully electric beast rockets from 0 to 97 km per hour in just 3.5 seconds. Push it further, and you're looking at a top speed of 200 km per hour, and range anxiety? Not a problem. On a single charge, this bike can cover up to 349 kilometers, more than enough to crush your daily commute or weekend adventure. Even charging feels futuristic. Plug it in, and within just 5 minutes you'll be back at 80% power, ready to hit the road again. At $30,000, the Verge TS Pro isn't just a motorcycle. It's a bold statement about where the future of riding is headed. This isn't just evolution, it's revolution on two wheels. Imagine turning your truck's tailgate into a ladder that makes every adventure easier and every job more efficient. Features and benefits. The Torque Lift Tailgater does exactly that. This clever ladder attaches right to your tailgate, instantly doubling your truck bed's usefulness. Depending on the model, you get up to 6 sturdy steps, each built to hold a solid 170 kg. Need to load heavy tools, set up camp with a rooftop tent, or simply climb into the bed without hassle? This ladder makes it effortless. Context and real-world impact. It's not just about convenience, it's about smart design. The steps feature inserts that absorb sunlight in minutes and glow for up to 10 hours, keeping you safe even in the dark. From weekend explorers to hard-working crews, this ladder redefines how people use their trucks. Closing statement. The Torque Lift Tailgater proves that sometimes the simplest ideas create the biggest upgrades.
Waya is a futuristic floating city made up of modular pyramid-shaped structures that offer a new way of living on the water. Designed to be self-sustaining, Waya includes a mix of residential, recreational, and commercial spaces like hotels, shops, spas, gyms, bars, and cinemas. The entire setup is powered by renewable energy sources such as solar panels and water turbines, making it environmentally friendly. The main pyramid structure, known as the Waya, is built on a floating base measuring 54 by 54 meters. This base alone offers about 3,000 square meters of space and includes a reception area and boat docking entrance. Above the base, several stacked modules create up to 10 floors, reaching a height of 30 meters above the water. Altogether, the full structure provides around 6,500 square meters of usable space. Parts of the pyramid remain underwater, housing important systems like engines, power generators, and extra energy sources. The design not only provides comfortable and modern living, but also promotes sustainability and innovation. Waya aims to create a new kind of offshore lifestyle, combining luxury, technology, and eco-conscious living in a floating community.
The Transit Elevated Bus TB is an innovative public transportation idea designed to ease congestion in crowded urban areas. This elevated bus allows cars to pass underneath it while it glides above the road on fixed rails. Supported by strong stilts on either side, the TB looks like a moving tunnel over the traffic below. With the ability to carry up to 1,200 passengers, the TB helps reduce the number of cars on the road, which in turn cuts down on traffic jams. Powered by electricity, the TEB is an eco-friendly alternative to traditional buses. It uses existing roadways, so no major infrastructure changes are needed. The bus moves smoothly at speeds of up to 40 miles per hour, making it a fast and efficient way to travel. Overall, the TEB offers a promising solution to the challenges of urban transportation, combining convenience, speed, and sustainability while reducing traffic congestion and pollution.
Meet the Baojun Yep, the tiny electric SUV that feels like a futuristic toy you can actually drive. This compact EV isn't just about looks. It runs on a 28.1 kWh lithium iron phosphate battery, giving you up to 303 kilometers of range on a single charge. Perfect for city commutes, weekend drives, or daily errands without worrying about constant charging. Underneath its playful design, the Yep packs a rear-mounted motor with 67 horsepower and 140 Nm of torque. That's enough to push this small SUV to 105 km per hour, keeping your rides smooth and efficient. Even better, with DC fast charging, you can juice it from 30% to 80% in just 35 minutes. What makes it even cooler? Its chunky, off-road inspired design. Think of a mini Suzuki Jimny, but fully electric and far more practical for city life. Compact outside, eco-friendly inside, and surprisingly stylish, it stands out wherever it goes. And the best part? In China, the Baojun Yep starts at just $13,000, making it one of the most affordable EVs on the market. Small in size, big in impact, the Baojun Yep proves the future of driving doesn't have to cost a fortune.
The Iguana Pro Interceptor is an amphibious craft designed for high-speed interceptions, extractions, surveillance, and logistics. Primarily built as a boat, it can reach speeds over 50 knots in the water. Thanks to its innovative tri-mobility system, it can seamlessly transition between land and water, making it highly versatile for various operations. Durable and built to withstand tough conditions, the Iguana Pro Interceptor is ideal for missions like search and rescue, patrol, and cargo transport. It features a customizable platform, allowing users to adapt it with additional equipment or weaponry based on their needs.
Watercar Panther. The Panther is an amphibious car made by Watercar, a company based in California. It went into production in 2013, after 14 years of development by founder Dave March. The design of the Panther is inspired by a compact Jeep SUV. Its chassis is made from lightweight steel, and the body is built from fiberglass, making it strong yet light. On land, the Panther can reach speeds of up to 85 miles per hour, 137 kilometers per hour, and on water, it can go as fast as 45 miles per hour, 72 kilometers per hour. The car is available in 3 trim levels. The top version is powered by a 3.7-liter, 3,664 cc, 24-valve SOHC V6 VTEC engine that produces 305 horsepower, similar to the engine used in the second-generation Acura MDX. The Panther combines the features of a road vehicle and a speedboat, making it ideal for adventure lovers who want to drive straight into the water without stopping. Imagine a vehicle that changes roles as easily as flipping a switch. Meet the Scania NXT, a futuristic concept built to transform the way cities move. This battery-powered, self-driving machine isn't just one vehicle. It's designed to shape-shift into whatever the city needs: a passenger bus in the morning, a delivery truck in the afternoon, or even a refuse collector at night. One platform, endless possibilities. Built with a lightweight composite body, the NXT hides cylindrical cell batteries neatly under the floor. This smart design frees up space, balances weight, and delivers an impressive range of around 245 kilometers on today's battery tech. Inside, passengers enjoy a bright, open cabin filled with natural light and clear communication systems that make every ride comfortable. Safety is at the core of its design. With cameras, radar, and lidar working together, the NXT has a full 360-degree view, making it highly aware of its surroundings while navigating busy streets. Though still a concept, the Scania NXT paints a bold picture of tomorrow's cities: flexible, sustainable, and powered by intelligence. It's not just a vehicle, it's the future of urban life on wheels.
The Un-One is a compact, all-electric urban car designed for sustainable and efficient city travel. With a focus on eco-friendliness, this vehicle is ideal for daily commutes, offering a clean and quiet alternative to traditional gasoline-powered cars. Its sleek, modern design combines functionality with a small footprint, making it perfect for navigating through crowded city streets and tight parking spaces. Equipped with an electric powertrain, the Un-One provides zero-emission driving, helping to reduce the environmental impact of daily transportation. The car's efficient battery system offers a practical range, ensuring that it can handle typical urban driving needs without frequent charging. Its lightweight construction and compact size make it easy to maneuver, while still providing enough interior space for comfort and practicality. Designed with sustainability in mind, the Un-One incorporates eco-friendly materials and energy-efficient technologies, ensuring that it has a minimal environmental footprint from production to use. With its focus on simplicity, reliability, and green driving, The Yun 1 offers a practical solution for city dwellers looking to reduce their carbon footprint while enjoying the convenience of modern electric mobility. This urban car is the perfect choice for those seeking an affordable, efficient, and eco-conscious way to get around. The Movable Roots Jojo Bean series is a compact mobile home designed for couples or small business ventures such as mobile shops or studios. Measuring around 8 meters in length and up to 3 meters in width, it maximizes space without compromising on comfort or functionality. This tiny home includes all the essential living spaces: bedroom, bathroom, kitchen, and living area, and comes fully furnished, offering a ready-to-live-in or work-in solution. Its well-planned layout makes it highly practical for those seeking an affordable and efficient lifestyle. Priced at approximately $80,000, the Jojo Bean series offers a versatile and cost-effective housing option. Whether used for full-time living or as a mobile business base, it combines mobility, smart design, and comfort in a compact footprint. The Yamaha Mountain Max SE is a powerful snowmobile built to conquer challenging mountainous terrains. Equipped with a robust 794cc engine, it offers impressive power and performance, making it ideal for snow riders who seek thrilling adventures in rugged environments. Engineered for tough conditions, the Mountain Max SE features a high-performance suspension system that provides smooth handling on steep inclines, deep powder, and uneven surfaces. This snowmobile offers exceptional stability and control, allowing riders to navigate difficult terrain with confidence and ease. Its lightweight design contributes to better agility, ensuring quick turns and responsive handling, even in the most demanding conditions. The Mountain Max SE prioritizes durability, with a construction designed to endure harsh elements while ensuring long-lasting reliability. Its ergonomic seat and intuitive controls add to the comfort, making long rides more enjoyable without sacrificing performance. Whether it's for mountain explorations or high-speed trails, this snowmobile excels at delivering both power and comfort. With its combination of strength, maneuverability, and advanced technology, the Yamaha Mountain Max SE stands as a top choice for riders seeking an exhilarating experience in mountainous terrain. It's the perfect snowmobile for those who crave adventure and are ready to tackle any snowy challenge with confidence and style.
Meet the 10-Ways CGO 600 Pro, the e-bike that makes city commuting feel futuristic. At just 37 pounds, it's lightweight, sleek, and built for speed and comfort in the urban jungle. Powered by a 350W rear hub motor with 40 Nm of torque, this ride pushes up to 20 miles per hour with ease. Riders can choose between two drivetrain styles, a smooth Shimano 8-speed chain or low-maintenance Gates carbon belt, tailoring the bike to their preferred feel. Its 36-volt 10Ah lithium-ion battery delivers up to 53 miles on a single charge, while the magnetic torque sensor ensures pedal assistance feels natural and responsive. Hydraulic disc brakes give you confidence in every stop, and the 700C wheels with 40mm tires glide effortlessly over city streets. Extras like integrated front and rear lights, a minimalist OLED display, and a removable battery add to the bike's everyday practicality. At $1,500, the 10-Ways CGO 600 Pro isn't just another e-bike, it's a smarter, cleaner, and more stylish way to move through the city. The future of commuting is here, and it's waiting on two wheels.
The Northrop YB-49 was a groundbreaking tailless, jet-powered bomber developed in the late 1940s. Boasting a massive 172-foot wingspan and driven by 8 jet engines, it introduced a sleek flying wing design to improve aerodynamic efficiency and reduce drag. While its futuristic shape showed great potential, the aircraft faced significant stability and control challenges, especially during bombing runs. In 1948, a fatal crash of one prototype claimed the lives of all 5 crew members, prompting the program's cancellation. Despite its short life, the YB-49's innovative design left a lasting legacy, directly influencing modern stealth aircraft development, most notably the B-2 Spirit stealth bomber. Although it never entered active service, the YB-49 proved to be a visionary leap in strategic bomber design, paving the way for future advancements in aerodynamics and stealth technology.